Lifeline predominantly uses the Common Alerting Protocol, or CAP, to share information with other systems. The CAP Alert tab contains the additional data necessary to build a complete CAP message. Lifeline does automatically generate sufficient CAP data to generate a CAP message. However, should there be a need to customize the message, a number of options are provided. To explore all the CAP options, uncheck the Simple View checkbox. As can be seen, many of the CAP options are already pre-populated. Selecting the down arrow will reveal additional entries that may be modified. CAP options include email. Here, CAP alerts can be sent to email recipients. Similar to other email programs, the outgoing server, password, and port number is needed to send an email. Multiple emails can be sent by inserting a comma between addresses. Area. Coordinates obtained from the link GPS are displayed in this section as WGS84 coordinate pair with a 0 radius area indicating a point on a map. The GPS coordinates can also be manually typed in. Users can also type in an area description for further information detail. The CAP Send button. Depressing the CAP Send button will send on-demand CAP information to email recipients and/or other web services as designated within the application settings. The CAP Alert Message Information Settings windows. CAP alerts must contain basic additional information to ensure the message transferred to other sources have sufficient additional information to produce actionable results. The sender. This identifies the originator of the alert. The message type denotes the nature of the alert. Mandatory values are alert, update, cancel, acknowledge, or error. Category denotes the category of the event comprising the alert. One of these values must be selected. The urgency field indicates the urgency of the alert. Mandatory values are immediate, expected, future, past, or unknown. Certainty is the certainty of the alert. Mandatory values are observed, likely, possible, unlikely, or unknown. Scope denotes the intended distribution of the alert. Mandatory fields are public, restricted, or private. Severity indicates the severity of the alert. Mandatory values are extreme, severe, moderate, minor, or unknown. The date sent represents the date and time an alert message is sent. The data is automatically populated by the Lifeline application. The headline is where meter or sensor data is populated. 4 designators are included for each substance being monitored. These are the substance name, typically the periodic name, substance concentration, units, and a green, yellow, where appropriate, or a red indicator reflecting a good, warning, or an alarm state. The Type in Your Own Headline option. All headline information is also sent within the CAP parameter section. Users can select this option to override the automated headline generation and type in their own information. The identifier is a unique message identification string that is generated each time new CAP information becomes available. Date expires. It may be desired to have the CAP data sent to other systems for evaluation, analysis, or other analytical work. The date expires tells other systems how long to store the data. The minimum expires value is 1 day. Contact info is a general information window for names and/or phone numbers. The Notes feature provides a free-flowing text area to transfer general notes within the CAP message. Info description. This field is used for general information and/or meter sensor probe type. Event field. Lifeline is a meter or sensor monitoring application. Therefore, the event is hard-coded as a reading. Source. This field provides necessary information on what and where the alert comes from. 4 elements comprise the source field: the meter or sensor manufacturer and model number, the unique open file for the meter or sensor being monitored, the MAC address of the computer's network card, and the group the link is associated with. Instruction. This is used for indication of the number of sensors or substances being monitored, information on the link battery, and the signal strength the link is receiving. Info URL. This field can be populated with a particular web page reference or with the location information on where to receive related spectra or pictures.